Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a juicy problem that might just leave you scratching your head. So, the problem we have on our hands is a tricky one involving ambiguity in initialization and how Clang++ can sometimes miss the mark when it comes to resolving these conflicts. Now, let's talk about the solution to this conundrum. The key takeaway here is that the initialization is indeed ambiguous, and Clang++ may not always get it right. One important rule to consider is the one that states a viable function is better than another if it is a constructor for a class, as opposed to a constructor for a base class of that class. However, because the parameter types in this situation are different, this rule should be disregarded. This leads to the conclusion that the implicit conversion sequences from a const type to a parameter type can be ambiguous, making the initialization ill-formed. In summary, we've explored a problem involving ambiguity in initialization and how Clang++ can sometimes fall short in resolving such issues. Remember, when in doubt, always double-check your initializations to avoid running into similar roadblocks. And with that, I bid you adieu. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite programming joke. Happy coding!